going to start by removing the control panel. To remove the control panel, you remove the 4 screws on the front of the machine using an 1/8" hex head bit. After removing the screws, make sure you put them somewhere where they won't be lost. Next, lift up on the control panel, turn it over, and locate the 3 connections on the back of the board. To remove the larger one, pinch both sides and pull back. To remove the smaller ones, pinch the side with the clip and pull back. And that's how you remove the control panel.